Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the adapter's model and output so you know expected behavior. This matters because voltage and current limits affect fast charging. Once done, inspect the cable and connector for visible damage and debris, small lint blocks pins. Make sure to test with a known good USB-C cable and a phone with fast charge enabled. If it charges slowly, record voltage/current behavior. These first actions eliminate the common, quick-fix causes before you move into deeper troubleshooting. Now you diagnose power delivery. Use a USB power meter to read real-time voltage and current because advertised numbers must appear under load. If numbers are low, the charger or cable may be failing. Next, plug the adapter directly into a different outlet. Power strips can limit current. Then verify the phone's fast charging setting and battery health. Some phones throttle charging for heat or battery protection. If the meter shows correct output but phone still refuses, the issue is likely in the cable or phone port. Finish by choosing repair or replacement based on your findings. Clean the charger and phone ports using compressed air or a non-metal brush. Avoid liquids and metal tools to prevent shorts. If the USB meter showed weak or fluctuating output, replace the cable first, then the adapter. Manufacturers' rated failures are common. If the phone port is physically damaged, get professional repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, test with another fast-charging phone to isolate whether the adapter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.